Plasticity versus FreeCAD versus Fusion 360. Which 3D CAD tool fits your workflow? So 3D CAD tools have evolved to suit different user needs, from industrial grade modeling to artistic design and open source tinkering. These three are strong options, but they each cater to distinct styles. So whether you're designing mechanical parts, prototyping products, or sculpting complex forms, choosing the right tool is key. Now here's how they compare. So now let's start with Plasticity here. So this is a modern NURBS-based modeling tool built for designers who want the precision of CAD with the smooth experience of 3D modeling software. It bridges the gap between CAD and creative tools like Blender, making it ideal for concept artists and product designers who value both form and accuracy. Pros: intuitive UI inspired by artistic modeling tools, excellent for fast, fluid hard surface modeling, NURBS-based precision modeling, and lightweight and responsive. There are some setbacks. So there is no built-in parametric features, limited mechanical engineering functionality, and it is a paid software, so there is no free tiers at this current date in time. FreeCAD is a free open source parametric modeling platform aimed at engineers, makers, and professionals who need full control over their designs. It's great for mechanical parts, architectural, and complex parametric workflows. Pros: full parametric modeling with constraints, open source and completely free, extensible with Python and workbenches, large active community. There are a few setbacks. So there is a steep learning curve to this, and the UI can feel clunky and outdated, and slower for creative or freeform modeling. Fusion 360 by Autodesk is an all-in-one CAD, CAM, and CAE tool used across industries for both mechanical and product design. It combines parametric surface and mesh modeling in a polished cloud-based platform with collaboration and simulation tools built in. Pros: industry-grade modeling and simulation tools, great for both engineers and product designers, integrated cloud collaboration, and there is also frequent updates and polished UI. Cons: required subscription for commercial use, cloud dependency for some key features, and can feel bloated for simple tasks. So go with Plasticity if you're a designer or artist who wants speed and elegance in 3D modeling with CAD level precision, or go for FreeCAD if you prefer open source parametric modeling and have technical design needs without relying on commercial software, or go with Fusion 360 if you need an all-in-one engineering and design suite with professional features and collaboration tools.